Hey y'all, welcome in or welcome back to the Monster Meadow. My name is Meadow and today we are unboxing another original G1 Monster High doll line. Now, this line is a small line, there's very few dolls, and it's a budget line, so there's very few accessories. So instead of giving each doll their own video, I'm just going to unbox all of them in one video. Because there's really not a lot of substance here. It's just unbox these budget dolls. So the line that we are unboxing is the Fangtastic Fitness line, which includes Katrine Demue, Laguna Blue, and Venus McFlytrap. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at all three of these ghouls in their boxes before we set them free. Okay, so first up we have Katrine Demue. We have Monster High here. Katrine Demue, daughter of a werecat. Fangtastic Fitness. The side of the box. And this line, they do not have shoes. So she's not missing anything. They just didn't come with shoes. This is a very weird line. But on the back, we have artwork of Katrine Demue. Whether they're doing resistance training, lifting weights, or doing yoga, the ghouls at Monster High know that staying in shape doesn't mean having to dedicate every moment of their lives to it. They just do their beast to find an activity they like and then be consistent. It's not scary, it's fun. I kind of like how they emphasize that you don't have to dedicate your entire life to fitness, and it doesn't have to be scary. It can be fun, and all you have to do is stay consistent. It's kind of a good message. Monster High, be yourself, be unique, be a monster. Assortment, CHW74, CHW76. On this side, we have Katrine. Up top, just a little window in. And the bottom, legal, and the barcode, of course. That is Katrine. Time for Laguna. She has a sticker on her, but we have Monster High, Laguna Blue, daughter of the sea monster, Fangtastic Fitness. Side of her box. Back of her box says the same thing. Then we have, my camera. Monster High, be yourself, be unique, be a monster. Assortment, CHW74, CHW75. Laguna Blue. Barcode. And then lastly, Venus. Monster High. Venus McFlytrap, daughter of the plant monster. Fangtastic Fitness. Again, same thing. My camera will focus. Hello? Oh well. Really? My camera hates these boxes, apparently. It says assortment CHW74, and then her model number CHW77. Venus McFlytrap. Top. And then bottom. Barcode. And that is our Fangtastic Fitness ghouls in their boxes. Now let's go ahead and free them. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox these ghouls. I guess we'll start with Katrine. So at the very, very bottom of the box, it's kind of hidden, but it tells you about the detachable limbs and Katrine's detachable tail. And of course, this is when they stopped giving the budget dolls stands. So, I'm gonna have to dig into my little tote full of stands and get them some. I don't feel any glue seepage in Katrine's hair, but she will need a new ponytail. Katrine is wearing this little halter shirt and these little capri shorts with a cat doing some kind of yoga pose printed all over them. It's pretty cute. And her little fitness accessory are these purple dumbbells. One's kind of a lilac and the other's a little darker, maybe a lavender. One's a little bent from being rubber banded for a decade, so I may have to hit it with a low setting hair dryer and straighten it out a bit. And here's what the background of all of their boxes look like. It's just a little gym with dumbbells and other fitness equipment. Now for Laguna. I don't feel any glue seepage in Laguna's hair either, but her bun is gelled to oblivion. She is wearing this off-the-shoulder t-shirt and these pink tie-dye pants, and her accessory is this fish scale pattern yoga mat, which was not cut very well, as you can see. But I'll probably roll it up and have her hold it, so it won't be that noticeable. Now for Venus. And then Venus is wearing this high-necked tank top and these little shorts with Julian printed all over them. She does have the vines on her wrists. However, she does not have the vines around her calves. So those got cut in the budget. And once again, no glue seepage in her hair. I also noticed that Venus has very glittery gold eyeshadow, and the other ghouls do not have glittery makeup, so that's weird. And Venus's little fitness accessory is this pink vine resistance band. So this line is very cute for a small budget line, and this is my first Katrine doll. First of many, I hope. So I'm very happy to finally have a Katrine in my collection, as well as another Laguna and Venus. So I'm going to get these ghouls posed on their stands, give them their 360, and then I will be right back with you guys. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and let me know. If you'd like to see more content between now and my next video, you can check out all of my socials linked in the description down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. And remember, don't be afraid to be yourself. Bye!